Firstly, viewers, today I will show you some new skeleton videos. In these videos, you will see pizza eating style, burger spark style, electric power style, and many other amazing skeleton shorts. Every short is unique. Yes, I really love these videos, and I'm sure you will love them too. Now, without wasting time, open YouTube and search for the channel DD Informer. This channel has around 90K subscribers and only about 40 videos uploaded. But the amazing thing is that many of these shorts have millions of views. Wow, that's really incredible. First, open the channel and start watching the uploaded shorts one by one. Look carefully at each video. You will see different skeleton characters doing different actions like eating pizza, electric spark effects, funny actions, and creative scenes. All the shorts are so amazing, so unique, and very different from normal videos. Now watch the videos again carefully so you can understand the style, character, and scene. After that, choose your favorite shorts and take screenshots of them one by one. For example, screenshot 1, screenshot 2, screenshot 3, screenshot 4, and more. Save all the best scenes you like. Next step, open the Canva app. Upload all the screenshots you just saved. Arrange them properly one by one so you can clearly see each scene and idea. Once everything is arranged and ready, we move to the next step. Now open ChatGPT. Upload all the screenshots here and write this instruction. I want to create the same type of short video. I will give you 7 short images. Please give me 8 shorts prompts exactly like my images and keep the same skeleton character style. Do not change the character. Now press enter and wait a few seconds. And boom! Your amazing prompts will be ready. You will get different prompts like electric spark skeleton, pizza eating skeleton, burger style skeleton, funny skeleton actions, and more creative scenes. Wow! All the prompts will look amazing and very detailed. Now read all the prompts one by one carefully. Make sure every prompt matches the style of your screenshots. If everything looks perfect, copy the first prompt. Now move to the next important step, text to image generation. Now go to a new website called Flow Google Labs AI. Oh my God, this website is amazing. And the best thing is that it is 100% free. Today, I created both AI images and AI videos using this website. So first, open the website and click on the Create option. When the page opens, you will see 2 main options, image generation and video generation. Now the most surprising thing, when I opened it, I saw that it gives 150 free credits. But the image generation cost shows 0 credits. Oh my God, that's amazing. You will see models like Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2, and both of them are free to use. That means you can generate unlimited images. Yes, unlimited generation. Now let's start creating images. First, copy the first prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Then press enter. The system will start generating images. The best part is that it generates 2 images at the same time. Wait a few moments, and boom! The first 2 images are ready. Wow! The skeleton character looks amazing. The style, lighting, and details are all so good. I really love this result. Now again, copy the second prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Boom! Again, 2 new images are ready. Wow! These are also amazing and very creative. Next, copy the third prompt, paste it, and generate. Wait for the images to render. And yes, they are ready. Perfect. Now repeat the same process for the fourth prompt. Copy, paste, generate, and wait a few seconds. Boom! Another amazing image is ready. Now continue the same process for all the prompts. Copy and paste them one by one and generate images. Within a few minutes, all your AI images will be ready. After everything is generated, check all the images one by one. Look at the characters, the effects, and the scene details. Wow, all the images look so good and amazing. Finally, choose your favorite images and download them. Once all your images are downloaded and ready, we will move to the next step, the video generation section. After generating all images, move to the next step, image to video. Now click on the video option. Here, Generating one video costs 40 credits, and the website gives 150 credits daily, so you can easily create multiple videos every day. First, upload your first image and paste the prompt in the prompt box. Then click Generate and wait. I waited only about 1 minute, and boom! 2 videos are ready. Now play both videos one by one. Wow, both are so good and so amazing. The animation, character movement, and effects look really great. Now select the best one and download it. Next, choose your second image, copy the prompt, paste it again, and click Generate. Wait another 1 minute, and done. The new video is ready. Oh my god, this tool is really amazing. Both results look unique and creative. Now again, upload the third image, paste the prompt, and generate the video. Wait a little, and yes, the final video is ready. Now check all your videos one by one. You will see that every video looks amazing, unique, and very high quality. Finally, download all your favorite videos and get them ready for upload. I will say it again. This website is really amazing and very helpful because you can create both images and videos in the same place. That means everything becomes easy and fast. So enjoy this new website and start creating your own amazing AI videos. I hope today's video was helpful and amazing for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more AI tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.